everyone, Miss Jess here with this week's recipe, a breakfast burrito. Here's what you'll need: a plate, 1 flour tortilla, 1 egg, cheddar cheese, salsa, a spoon, and a mug. First, take the egg and gently bang it against the mug. Use 2 hands to pull apart the shell. Gently stir the egg in the mug. Then, place the mug in the microwave. Place a paper towel on top of the mug to prevent the egg from making a mess. Microwave the egg for 40 seconds. When it's done, hold the mug by the handle when taking it out of the microwave. Scoop the egg onto your tortilla. Then, if you'd like, sprinkle some cheese on top and scoop some salsa. Start from one side and roll the tortilla. Now it's ready to eat. There you have it, a yummy breakfast burrito. I hope you enjoy.